Great news! The Sira mobile kiosk is now operational at Umlazi Mega City Mall, bringing essential Sira services closer to you. Collect your approved Sira certificate and identification card quickly, conveniently, and closer to home. Here's how it works. First, pay for your certificate or card online. Once your payment is complete, you'll automatically be redirected to book your branch visit. Simply select the Umlazi mobile kiosk and collect your certificate or card on your confirmed booking date. Remember, no payment, no booking.
It is TV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. Molweni sinamkele kwinkqubo entsha yeDiski TV for this brand new season ka-2026-2027. Sakhumbula last season there was a lot of things that happened. We covered almost all the games the Betway Premiership, all the games that included the three big teams, Sundowns, Chiefs, Orlando Pirates, including the Cup games, including CAF Champions League. We were here. We also covered the FIFA World Cup, the 2026 FIFA World Cup, including Ibafana Bafana, lapho ke bajike khona kwi last 32 for the first time in their history. But now, siyashiya winners last season, siyashiya runners-ups last season in all the competitions. Now we are in the brand new season yeBetway Premiership. Zonke izinto junior icups zibekwe elangeni ngokuzabona ukuthi ngubani ozohamba ayolift the first trophy of the season, which is the MTN 8, but now uqala next weekend. But umdlalo soqala ngawo namhlanje ngulo we defending champions Orlando Pirates playing against the newly promoted Milford. Khumbula last season they finished third, bawina ke kwi playoffs bazongena kwi Betway Premiership. Junior manubulisa mfethu new season. Sigqibele last season my brother unjani?
Shane maphela kunjani?
I'm okay.
Ngibulise Justice Shabalala. Kulule konke. Ngibulise Benedict Sofila kaza ngibulise Bobzini.
Yeah.
Ebafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting iDiski TV, fighting now and try to fix South African football. Awukhulile udancing. Shane, khulile udancing. Ithi compliment iBetway Premiership 2026-2027 season. Qale kamnandi. Le game bemnandi kakhulu. This game was like beautiful game. Bengathi game ya mid season. You understand? Mangethi game bemnandi, both teams. A compliment to both coaches ukudlala pure football. Technically you never saw the long balls. Abantu badlala ngama second ball, relying in transition and stuff. No. Yes, iyenzeka le nto le if you play against the better side thola ukuthi nina now those type of players angakhompita. Yes, kuba ne plan, but well done to Orlando Pirates. They deserve to win this game. Not one of the best game for Orlando Pirates, but obvious ngibonile nje ukuthi they're gonna win this game. They are defending champions of Betway Premiership. They've got experienced players, players who come from World Cup. Ngikhuluma ngabo Bomreme, Talent Bata. Abo Police, the list goes on. Abo Spisi, they come from the World Cup of China, experience compared to these kids. Pirates, the way they play, mangithi mina uDanseni ukhulile today. Well done in the midfield. I think uDanseni ucontrol kamnandi tempo of game, him and Talent Bata. Yeah. Pirates dominate the midfield today. Well done. Also, I think Police did very well in today's game. Showed experience, you can tell experience in decision making, him and Mreme. Ngikhuluma first half, I think Mreme did very well, him and Apolis. Not per se badlala as wingers today, but badlala as sort of half wingers. You understand? Bangene ngapha attacking in. Not creating so much chances Orlando Pirates because of lack of number 10 came in namhlanje. Tito very top class player, but uTiti I think it is disadvantage yakho kungabi ne-speed. Very intelligent player on football intelligence, decision making ushabantu abaningi uTito. But now with Orlando Pirates, really since has created this thing ukuthi number 10 Orlando Pirates udlala off the ball, run behind the defense. Now already was set at standard, creating so many chances each and every game badlala. Unmaga drop uTito. Now it becomes a problem to with this guy what his name Umbutuma. What uba isolated now. Uthola ukuthi every time mhlamba bomreme when they cross okanye mhlamba when they break uthola ukuthi I won against 3 people on the box. Does it make sense? Pirates, that's why I creating so many chances. Yes, babe nama chance 3 chances ngikhuluma nga first half because of a mistake what these guys. Mara ngikhuluma ngama chances that Pirates leyo besazi ukuthi yaw create last season compared to last season. Number 10 I think that was the problem. Not to say ukuthi Tito had a bad game, but tactically need to sort himself out. Ukuthi coach I think mela khulume nayo Tito. Hlale afin, learn more to play. behind the defense. You understand that? Be close of this guy. Iba phambi kwalo mfana lo umbutuma. So enough. I think this team, this team, in Milford.
Yeah.
Good project laba chita laba. Many players, no matter be relegated, many teams will take so many players here. Technically very good, but badlala intensity high. They hardly lose the ball. Good build up. I think they press.
You think bangarelegated the way badlala ngakhona namhlanje, I mean,
indaba amanye ama-team they fool us. They
Oh,
play
yeah.
Orlando Pirates, they play high. They go other games badlala nabantu abo Stellenbosch so bona bafana. But nami I don't see them relegate.
Yeah.
Noma ngabe bahlala next season, a lot of players.
yeah, they
will
put in a
sign.
good showing namhlanje.
Yeah, a lot of players will bazoba sign ugly team. The coaching a team grand. And among a couple of players, Babangat Babangan. As Kume, they press Orlando Pirates high. They never allow Orlando Pirates when they build up. Because the Pirates once why allow. Will I problem? Ngoba link about talent. Nalum fanu dancing. I think they link very well, very close to each other. You understand? Bagwas complementary. Munye Magailo, Munye very close to him. And sometimes I like ngithanda nale we ba compose ngikhona. Talent is not the player leli season year before last. Even this season they beqala last year. Different talent but you understand. The team they press Orlando Pirates. They had so many chances maba press Orlando Pirates. Pirates panic when we press them. When you play open game with Orlando Pirates, ba panic especially at the back. Too many mistakes. Usisi magadlala le bola cross for what? You go Lila. It's a showcase goal Lila. I don't understand. And then into two center back Orlando Pirates, they need to fix that. These are defending champions. Each and every one that is playing Orlando
And
Pirates.
these players, Usiema and Usbisi, they played together last season. The previous season, I mean, the season before last season, Smisi was a defender of the season.
Yeah.
Now, this previous season, Usiema was a defender of the season.
Yeah.
Bayazana.
Yeah.
Bayazana should have-
But
yeah.
for me, there's a problem. When I check, pega lepola litabla pagibo ngikhuluma ngasekona half lepola lina. Okay, ngiyazi ukuthi is this guy sibelebele. But Sibisi, wewe beka kuphi? Beka kuphi lapho?
I think they press up high.
I don't understand.
Oh, you mean Lapola second half?
Yeah, lele tabla.
Oh, Sweden again, a pump good defender instead of covering.
I don't understand. Ukuthi usibelebele azoba center back lepola more central. Kube beli maybe the other opposite buya kwenye direction lingale. I understand is the last man. But central lepola liphuma all the way le tabla pala center. Then there's a problem between the two of them. So mina ngale two left and right center back ngine problem. I know ukuthi both they won't defend of the season, but low CM quality players. BC yes, experienced player, but they need to find somebody who's a complementary umfana lo CM, especially now as good nama defending champions. Team edlala nani, they will wanna beat you.
Yeah.
So good team. I think in the midfield they've got players who are so comfortable. Even at the back, but Yabona even at the back inexperienced. Paris might call and ba pressure, but breakeka very easily. But lali highline na bavana speed at the back. Ngibonile goalkeeper wabo uye ngathi alert. Enye into engiyibone ngabo up front. I think they are inexperienced. They need to find 2-3 players, and like 3-4 players up front that can help them. Otherwise, this is a very good team. That's for me. Whenever told proper players in Kulbang up front, experienced proper players who can help them. Yeah.
Yes, this season, Junior, I was looking forward to this season. Uchonga, we saw how Orlando Pirates played last season, where they were playing Lapola fast too much, creating so many chances. I was looking forward to Bazodlala njani this season. Bazodlala the same way abadlala ngayo last season. Based on what you saw namhlanje kumdlalo wabo against Milford, what do you make of the Orlando Pirates front three for this season? I know they just signed a new striker, but I think he didn't have some work permit. But they started Umbutuma namhlanje, Moremi Napolis. Do you think the front three Orlando Pirates is obaleka in terms of helping them defending title yabo for this season and umdlalo wabo overall as compared to last season? I know good to say umdlalo wokuqala, but what have you noticed kulo mdlalo wanamhlanje?
Yeah, obvious kunamanye ama game thola ukuthi nizonida match winner kulabantu abayi3 umremi Apolis. I know Apolis most was a very important player for them. Mbutuma doesn't score goals. Game yaqala season ba win 2-0 never score again. Give me downfall yabo striker. I mean very vital position striker. Angamboni this guy lo bathi wase Holland. I know Dutch.
Oh, from
I think Dutch.
yeah, no, it's from Norway.
I mean to
Norway,
say Norway.
Yeah.
Askamboni, but for me releasing umabasa bambonile what he can do, what he can offer. It doesn't make sense. It's done well for Orlando Pirates. Personal issues bekumele bawathathe babekele eceleni. Wambili wayeko Stellenbosch nimkhuzile indlela ukukhuza umntana wakho le yangithi. Punishment coming back, you bring him because onceda. Clinical. I think technical very good yakwazi ukuzicreate space bebamnida umuntu njengaleya mhlambe sign another striker on top of him but going there away ukuthi bazena lo mjita loyana angiphikisi angeke ngize ngimjudge le guy ngakambukeli you understand I can ngimjudge much but i-problem Orlando Pirates watching just ukuphendula ngifuna ukubona that guy we striker and then I can talk about the striker they still need a striker another stuff Mreme honestly speaking he's got speed he's got power but obviously ngikhuluma nge-football intelligent ngoba pound to pound ngimcompare nawe really him and Police yes mhlambe Police khona that intelligent football intelligent but he can't take players one on one naye you understand kunezinto izinto that is like so if Orlando Pirates give me a question mark obvious a striker after watching that guy ngakhomenda Mreme a very speedy player but makathola umuntu ohlakaniphile asithi uthola umndawo eMamelodi Sundowns lo maka defender I don't think he can go beyond umndawo pound to pound they will match him sekuzofuneka football intelligence unawe na i-question mark ile mina na kumele siphendule which is mina ngibona ile player lelidlala ngespeed and mangaba ulinika space la struggle you understand Police very good player but he need to play his position Police tactical yes asiboni lento le mhlambe ngoba Orlando Pirates when they play Police run all over it's sort of a free role yabo ama coaches wakudala like ngikhuluma ngabo ma 2000s ukuza kaje they bebathi free role when you've got the ball you can run wherever but when you don't have a ball uyela position yakho but now in modern football tactical they study you mele uhlale position yakho kubalekile so Police ngifuna ukwazi best position yakhe ukuthi yini Orlando Pirates just ukuphendula front three abangabi convincing ngizoba nje nevar leya le season yangana sengeke ngirila kwa Police urila ngekho ngiyazi ukuthi really was number 1 Police could complement him but now him complimenting Mreme excessene question kunama game asazoba nzima phela Orlando Pirates winile Shane they were defending champions so everybody will wanna beat Orlando Pirates so not much ukuthi nga compliment but this boy Khotsinze comes second half
I was coming there my next question was about him Ukhosesil. They signed him last season from Ibaroka, but they loaned him back to Ibaroka. But this season, it seems like he's also gotten the jersey number. Got his debut for Orlando Pirates. Because he didn't even go to Spain, but he was in the 18-man squad. In the 20-man squad. What did you make of him, Ukhosesil?
Sometimes it's not. Angazi ngabe kanjani ukuthi umfana kaya ngeSpain. Uthola ukuthi ngale game le bebasafuna ukubona ukuthi okay sharp njengoba ngangephi Spain ifaka sinike lento esifunayo mhlambe kule game okanye 2 games to give him 2 games loan him again but baqinisile bathi akusi important uqala ngakhona you understand the way you finish ngakhona kusho ukuthi finishing and here important kakhulu this boy for me exciting player une speed football intelligent petty footwork engibone nengcondo ikhona kunebhola laba abambi offside I don't understand the lineman look heavy ngikhuluma ngo lineman look heavy ube straight nalomfana kamuvanga neplay offside le mangabheka irun lo mfana eshayile
he got a few right but he got I think a couple wrong
mina lo mfana lo ngizomdlalisa ke season yakhe keep him at a very important player for Orlando Pirates I come as an impact player because uphethe nobukhwinyana iplay njengaleli liyangena sekona for uqala igame depending ukuthi mawumqala njani but lo mfana uzoyinceda Orlando Pirates this season very important player for me and exciting I'm very excited ngifuna ngambona vele before bamlokuna I think went to Baroque and stuff but exciting player I understand ama player ngithi athatha isikhathi ukujela but le Shane is another talent that I can't wait kumbukela Orlando Pirates.
Junior, thank you so much my brother for your analysis. That's Junior Khanye, former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder. Sibukele kunye ke lo mdlalo Petty Premiership, the opening game of the season. It was supposed to be a game later on namhlanje at 6 but Sundowns they're still in Austria playing finishing La Liga pre-season. They will be back, I think, today or tomorrow or maybe midweek to come and play MTN 8 next week. They are playing against the Polokwane City at Loftus Stadium. But later on, namhlanje saniphathele umdlalo between the Kaizer Chiefs and also Kruger United Mbombela Stadium. Umdlalo lo opening game for Kaizer Chiefs who finished 3rd last season. Sabona ukuthi ke ucoach omtsha uDa Cruz baphathele ndoni players ezintsha as the Kaizer Chiefs. But namhlanje Orlando Stadium it's Orlando Pirates 2, Milford 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Khanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.